Ain't no specks. Ain't no flakes. No flakes. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're washing my box braids. Now, I've had these in for about a month now, and I have not washed them because I didn't want to. But now, like, I know I need to because it's getting a little ridiculous. Like, my hair is fine, but like my scalp, Jesus help. You might want to do like the traditional wash, but for me, this is quick, it's easy, and I feel like it's the most effective way to wash your hair with braids because it's really hard to get everywhere in the shower. So I feel like this method is very helpful. You're still gonna have to wash your hair in the shower or in the sink or whatever you use, but it'll be much easier this way opposed to doing everything in the shower. You're gonna need a spray bottle. I got this from Walmart for like $1. It does not matter what kind of bottle you use, as long as as long as it has some spray power. The shampoo that I'm using is the Aussie Mega Moist. If you've been on my channel for a while, I used this one time like a few months ago and I haven't stopped using it. Like, this is it. Like, I'm not buying no more shampoo until I feel like this doesn't work anymore. But this is like the best shampoo for me. It makes my hair super moisturized and I love it. So we're gonna take a few pumps of our shampoo and put it in our spray bottle. I put 4 pumps in there. We're gonna add water just to dilute that so you can actually spray it, because if you don't add water to it, you won't be able to spray anything. So we're gonna put our top back on and shake it up. Now you wanna make sure you shake all of it up so you can mix that shampoo and water evenly. And then we're gonna start to wash our hair. So this is where we're gonna start. I have my hair parted so my scalp is visible, and then we're just gonna spray. Now you might not want to have makeup on for this part because it will run down your face. I'm wearing makeup, so clearly I don't care. And we're just gonna rub that in. And apply as much as you need to. Now, if you're like me, you don't want to make your braids extra frizzy. So I would say like do it lightly in the part and not on the actual base of the braid itself. Like, just make sure you're shampooing the part. And we're gonna lift over and do the next little section. I like to do it section by section so I know that each section is properly shampooed. So our next step is we're gonna go in the shower and wash out all the shampoo. As far as conditioner goes, conditioner is not really for your scalp. Conditioner is for your hair. And that is to soften it, to detangle it, to moisturize it. So I would not suggest putting conditioner on your scalp with this method, okay? What I do is, and you'll see in a minute, is just put the conditioner on your actual hair and make sure you get the part of your hair where your natural hair is. So for my braids, I don't know if you can really tell, but my natural hair stops like about here. So make sure you definitely get those parts with conditioner, but don't get it so much in the part because the little knots will get a bunch of buildup and you don't want that. And it might not come out as easy and it'll take a lot more effort. So I don't do that. Y'all can do whatever you want because you're brown, but I don't do it. Since these braids do retain a lot of moisture, I like to make sure it's at least somewhat towel dry before I let it air dry. Or you can sit under a dryer, whichever you like. I just let it air dry throughout the day because I don't have time to sit under a dryer, honey. It's clean. I know flakes. I know flakes. No flakes. Flakes be gone. Who got dandruff? Cause I know.